Chase Van Zandt and Chip Ellis. First pair coming at you right here. For the most part, the Pro Stock motorcycles kind of went well according to Hoyle, as they say. Kelly Klontz did get the win from the number 10 spot. Matt Smith from the number 9 spot. But nothing that you would call like a tremendous, holy smokes, did you see that upset in round number 1. We come in here with the 4 and 5 qualifiers. Van Zandt on the left side. Trick Tools bike. Tater Chip. Oh, and Chip Ellis goes red. Everybody's favorite fill-in driver dropped the clutch 0.04 of a second too soon. And then shut her off early. You can see the speed only 177 miles an hour. Chase Van Zandt, 6.8, 6.1, 197 the speed. Chip goes 691, 177. He pulled the clutch back in.